Okay, so today I'm going to demo a plugin which you can use if you're an Ableton DJ to add live edits to your mix and really spice up your mix. It's called Shaperbox, and basically it has a number of different effects and they're all modulated by individual envelopes, so you can combine different effects to create some interesting edits. The time shaper does some interesting stutters, reverses, tape stops, and scratch effects. I'll show you what happens if we apply it to a beat. Now I have this trap beat over here. And then if you turn on Shaperbox, there's a number of these preset envelopes we can use which will affect the timing and pitch of the beat. So I'll show you a couple of these. So these are the stutter ones. There's these scratch ones. There's these pitch effects. There's these combined pattern ones. Then you can combine it with other effects like the filter that will result some interesting sounds. Then it gets pretty glitchy. If that's your style, that's cool, but I find just having one effect works best. If you want a more clean sound, for example, we can just apply the filter. Then I can demonstrate how you could use this in a mix. So you could have the beat playing. Add an edit on the fourth bar. Then maybe add a tape stop next. And then switch to the next beat. Or you can play the two beats together and mash one beat over the top. So I'll just so the neat way to really do some live remixing while you're doing a little DJ set by adding these live effects using Shaperbox. So a really cool effect you can use to spice up your mix if you're a live DJ. And once again, this is Cable Guy's Shaperbox 2. Hi, my name is Stranjah, drum and bass music producer of over 20 years, with music out on labels such as Metalheadz, Hospital Records, and Critical Music. And starting August 18th, I'll be presenting a live and interactive workshop twice a week where you will be learning personal techniques and secrets on how I effectively produce drum and bass music. You'll learn about drum construction, bass design, as well as arranging a track from start to finish. And since this will be an interactive class, you'll have time to ask questions so you can get what you need from this class. And also there'll be a 1-hour virtual after party each session where you can connect with fellow participants, share, and ask questions that may have been out of scope of the class. So check the link down below for more information, and I hope you join me for my DJ Tech Tools Drum and Bass Masterclass.